In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Instagram account to Whop. Whop is an amazing platform designed to help you start a business, master new skills, and build out your network. If you're looking to leverage social media to enhance your professional presence or enhance your business outreach, connecting Instagram is a great place to start. So let's dive straight in. First things first, you need to go to the Whop homepage. Fire up your internet browser and enter the address for Whop's home feed. Once you're on the home page, you're already on the path to enhancing your business and personal brand through seamless account integration. Next, look towards the top of the page where you'll find the profile icon, usually represented by a small avatar, or your own profile picture if you've already uploaded one. Click on it. The profile section is where you can manage various aspects of your account, so it's worth getting familiar with its layout and options. Moving on, once you're within your profile, you'll notice several tabs or sections. You'll want to find and click on the one labeled Connected Accounts. This part is crucial because it's where you can manage and integrate various platforms like Instagram, which we are focusing on today. Now, within the connected account section, look for Instagram in the list of available platforms to connect. You're nearly there. Click on Instagram to gear up for the final steps of connection. This dedicated tab is where you'll perform the actual linking process. Following that, it's time to enter your Instagram username. Make sure you type it exactly as it appears on your Instagram account to avoid any connection issues. Take an extra moment to double check for any typographical mistakes, as accuracy here is key. Once you've entered your username correctly, you'll spot